Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel where I also bring you quick and easy recipes for busy weeknights. Today we are making a mince curry with potatoes and peas that's perfect for those days when you're short on time but still want a hearty, wholesome and flavorful meal. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prepare and serves a family of 4, so let's get started. To a deep based pot, add in a quarter cup of sunflower or coconut oil for a healthier option. To this, add in 2 cinnamon sticks. And also add in 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Add in 1 peeled and chopped onion and braise this until the onions have slightly browned. While the onions are browning, wash and rinse 500 grams of mince, and to this we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of rough salt. Then add this bowl to the braised onions and allow to cook for 5 minutes, lowering the temperature to medium heat. In a separate bowl, peel and quarter 2 medium potatoes, and to this we're going to add in a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Lastly, add in a quarter cup of frozen peas. Once you have added all these into the bowl, toss them into the pot with the mince that is cooking. Mix all the ingredients together and then leave this to simmer on medium heat until the potatoes have softened. This usually takes about 15 minutes. And that's dinner ready. You can also garnish this with some coriander leaves and serve with bread rolls or rice. Enjoy and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Remember to connect with me on my social media pages, and until the next vlog, happy cooking!